Hello everyone, this is Dhruvo Das Ghosh. I am working as an assistant executive at Allied ICT Durgapur for the last 2 years. During this lockdown, I have done a short-term course to develop my English speaking skill. Now it is helping me to deal with clients and mainly with the shipping lines. Uh, Thank you again to the whole HR team for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a good day to all. Today I am speaking about how I utilize my time during lockdown and make the best use by learning new courses or sharpening my skills. I will tell you about what courses I am doing and what I have learned so far in these courses. First course I am doing is in digital marketing. Basically, digital marketing is called internet marketing, which is done by search engine, websites, social media, emails, mobile applications with the help of analytical tools. It's all about reaching the right customer at right time with correct information. And this can be achieved when we analyze market, data trends and marketing strategies. I have learned various types of tool like search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, which helps in promoting the business online. Another course which I am doing is in supply chain management. This course includes supply chain management fundamentals, logistics, warehousing, inventory controls, and problem solving skills. By this course, I am learning how we ensure supply chain management to meet customer demand while minimizing cost and maximizing responsiveness. I have learned how to make strategic decision between cost, quality, and flexibility of the supply chain. Lastly, I would thank to the HR team who gave me the opportunity to share my course detail with you all. Thank you.
নমস্কার, আমি রূপম ভঞ্জ চৌধুরী। আমি এই পিডিপি ইন্টারন্যাশনাল প্রাইভেট লিমিটেড কোম্পানিতে 2 বছর ধরে কর্মরত এবং আমি 1 বছর ধরে একটি কম্পিউটার কোর্স করেছি। অল ইন্ডিয়া মহাত্মা গান্ধী কম্পিউটার শখসত্র মিশন থেকে এডিসি এবং ওয়েব ডিজাইনিংয়ে একটি কোর্স করেছি এবং গ্রেড পেয়ে পাস করেছি এবং একটি সার্টিফিকেট পেয়েছি।
I'm Shreyoshi Ghosh. I'm an industrial psychologist working in the PDP group for the past 1.5 years. I hope all of you are enjoying our program today, and I hope all of you are doing well both physically as well as emotionally. Our mental health is such an important aspect of our life, but most of the time we usually tend to ignore it. This lockdown due to COVID-19 had started in a very happy and a very exciting phase. Like we all had this thought back in our mind that ultimately and finally we got a chance to continue working from home. But after a certain period of time, due to the constant uncertainty, most of us we started gradually feeling very anxious and very stressed. I was personally very stressed. I really did not know how to utilize my time, and I was clueless. It was very stressful for me. But having experience in the mental health background, I knew this was a red alert for me. So during this lockdown, I had a lot of time to do what I usually love to do, pursuing my hobby, which is art, making artwork. So I took this time, I took this opportunity, and I pursued a course which is meditative art therapy. And this course has helped me to understand that art is such a beautiful way to express all our feelings, all our emotions, and it is such a big stress buster. So this course has helped me to develop my professional as well as my personal skills in a lot of way. And then along with this course, I also was able to pursue a course on neuro linguistic programming, which is the NLP, and it was a course for 3 weeks. And in this course, I was able to understand and I was able to learn that why do we behave in a certain way, what drives us to behave in that manner. It helped me to understand our belief system, and all these learning, it really helped me to develop my professional skills as well as my personal skill. And these two particular courses were in my wish list for a very long time. And to be honest, it really wouldn't have been possible without the support of my team members and without the support of my PDP group family. So they have supported me in each and every aspect as possible. So, thank you so much for the support and letting me develop my professional skill as an industrial psychologist and as a person. Thank you so much. And this aspect, it really makes me happy to think that I am in such an organization where employees are given full support to keep on developing their skills. And finally, let me conclude by sharing a small message with all my team members. Learning actually has no age limit, and learning is such an aspect which will never make you feel exhausted, it will never make you feel tired. But at the same time, nobody is going to push you to keep on learning until and unless you take the first step, until and unless you push yourself to pursue that, you will not get that kind of an opportunity and that kind of a support which you want to, which all of us want to. So if you have that kind of a scope, then please go forward with it. You will always have your colleagues, your seniors, and our management who is going to support you like a grand old banyan tree. So if there is anything you want to pursue, if there is anything you want to go forward and develop your skills, then please do that. Thank you so much.